You want to tell us what you're doing right now?
I'm looking at my mom's old sewing machine.
And why is this interesting to you?
Because I want to sew, and I need to know how it functions.
So, what have you noticed so far in unpacking this?
There's a bunch of stuff in it. You have a bunch of spare needles.
Mm-hmm.
This is supposed to be in here.
Yes? What do you think it might be for?
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to find out later.
These are weird.
What's the most interesting thing you've seen so far in there?
The sheets.
What part of the sewing machine do you think it goes on?
I almost think it's a foot, because there's that piece that these all have.
Show us.
That.
Ah. So where do you think it goes?
Right, well, first you'd have to, put it in either, how do you take the feet off?
You just need to make sure the needle's up and you can just snap them off and on.
Oh, there it is.
You think it goes that way?
Mm-hmm. Or the other way.